that we see before us. Ice with a very clear ice that almost looks like a glass sculpture.
I saw one. Oh, that one's good.
I'll tell you what, this is a good look at for the pumpkins. Said, oh, I just got a great pumpkins over there on Shadow. If they get up and fly away, those features the pumpkins are best known for. They're actually breeding displays. They'll lose them. Vendors, sometimes they turn into janitors, mechanics, whatever they need to be to make sure it's a great day for you. If you feel like they did that and you'd like to thank them on your way out,